You know, the sad reality is that most e-learning requires our learners to sit through a really disappointing experience where nothing is gained and nothing is learned. And so let's just admit it, most e-learning just plain sucks. And while it's easy to just build a quick e-learning course when your stakeholders come to you and say, "We need training," it's simply not good enough to throw a bunch of bullet points on a slide and add a next button and call it e-learning. The truth is, you're actually doing yourself, your stakeholders, and your learners a disservice by creating something that isn't going to get the desired results. And, well, that's just a waste of everybody's time. However, it doesn't have to be that way. It's possible to create e-learning that not only engages your learners, but also drives measurable performance. And that's exactly what we'll be exploring during my pre-conference workshop on Sunday, March 29th at the Learning Solutions Conference and Expo in Orlando, Florida. So if you want to learn how you can design and develop e-learning that gets results, join me for this one-day workshop where you'll get real and practical solutions that will help you create e-learning that increases engagement and drives performance.